Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the exact dose and a clean device. First, confirm the medication label, dose, and expiration. Once confirmed, wash your hands thoroughly to avoid contamination. Next, attach the mouthpiece or mask to the nebulizer cup, then pour the prescribed amount into the cup. Measure carefully to the marked volume. Make sure the compressor is on a stable surface and the tubing is untangled so airflow will be consistent when you start. You now assemble and initiate treatment. Connect the tubing securely from the compressor to the nebulizer cup and confirm all seals are tight. Loose connections waste medication. Sit upright to maximize lung expansion, then place the mouthpiece between your teeth or fit the mask snugly, no big gaps. Turn the compressor on and watch for a steady, visible mist. Once you see it, breathe slowly and deeply through your mouth for even delivery, pausing for comfortable exhales. You complete the session by running until the cup is nearly empty or mist stops. Typical sessions last 5 to 15 minutes. Once finished, turn off the machine, disconnect tubing, and rinse the nebulizer cup and mouthpiece with warm water, then air dry. For weekly disinfection, follow manufacturer steps. If you see little or no mist, check the tubing for kinks, ensure the compressor is powered, and inspect the cup for blockages. Replace disposable parts if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.